Right-click on LA, RQD, UCS in the project tree. Select Fix Errors. Select the RQD table under Invalid Values Handling. We can see that missing intervals and values are automatically omitted by Leapfrog. If preferred, we could choose to change the action from omit to replace, but we will leave this as is for now. Instead, we will create a rule for non-numeric values. To do this, click on the plus button under the non-numeric values table. We can see that a value in the LA-RQD UCS table containing non-numeric data is less than 45. There are 6 instances of this non-numeric value in the table. We will choose to create a rule for this non-numeric value. Select OK to create the rule. The Replace With column value is automatically highlighted, allowing us to add the desired value that we want to replace less than 45. Change 0.0 in the Replace With column to 40 and hit Enter on your keyboard. Once you have reviewed the rules that have been applied to the missing values, non-numeric values, and non-positive values in the invalid values handling tables, select the toggle on these rules have been reviewed. Click Save to save the rules to the LARQD UCS table. Close the Errors tab. You have now reviewed the final warning in the LQRQD UCS table. All red and orange symbols have been removed from the borehole tables. Steps completed.